Oh snap, we bought a house. So it's a pretty exciting time in our lives right now. We now own this house. In the summer, after our honeymoon, Emily and I wanted to get a head start on looking for a house as our lease is up in the apartment in March. And it's a pretty good thing that we did get an early start. We probably saw almost 20 different houses before we found one that we really liked. And so here we are. So this house is a split level home. If you're not familiar with that, you basically enter in on an elevated level. And on this level, you'll have your different living spaces, kitchen perhaps, and then if you go take a short set of stairs up from that entry level, that's where you'll find some bedrooms. And then if you were to go down from the entry level, there's more living space, and even below that is a basement. If I remember correctly, this house was built in the 50s or 60s, and the gentleman we bought this house from had lived here for 60 plus years. So there's a lot of original details in the house, but he's taking really good care of it, so it's nice that we only have to do a few cosmetic things before we move in. So today's Black Friday, and we want to take advantage of sales for different things that we'll need in the house. So Emily has me getting some measurements of the different rooms so we know how big of furniture to get, how much space we'll have for different appliances, etc., etc. So I'm in here, tape measure, got my pad of paper, and we're just gonna take some quick measurements. This particular room I'm pretty excited for, and I apologize if this is pretty echoey in here. Obviously it's empty. This house is actually 3 bedrooms, and right now it's just myself and Emily. So we each have an office, and this is gonna be mine. It's gonna be really nice. I'm gonna put probably a desk over here, probably, and then maybe a couch, TV, but we'll see as it gets going. Finally finish up all my measurements. We're gonna go pick up Emily now. We're gonna do a little bit of shopping, and I'll see you in a little bit. All right guys, back in the house again. Here by myself right now, but Emily, her mom, and her sister are gonna be here soon, but I wanted to get a bit of a head start, just taping off sections of the house that we aren't painting. We have some trim along the floor, baseboard heaters, doorways, things like that. Just wanted to mask that off. What's up? Day 2 of painting, and today we are painting what will be my office. Alright guys, wanted to quickly wrap up this video. We're actually in the office now. I didn't film too much painting this because we were in a bit of a time crunch and we kind of just needed to get out of here as quickly and efficiently as possible. But I'm back here now. It's the next day. I'm here to touch up a few spots that we missed so that I can see now in this light. It was a little difficult to see in the daylight when we were painting. But I did want to say that this whole process has been pretty exciting for Emily and I. We signed contracts a little more than a month ago, so it's been this waiting game and we're just trying to imagine how we're going to put this house together. So actually seeing it finally come together has been really exciting for the both of us. And over the course of the next couple of weeks, we're still in the apartment for a little bit, we're going to hopefully get it as we like it and then move in before the end of the year. But I just wanted to nicely wrap up this video. I'll probably film more of this office as I put it together and the different things that I kind of imagined for it. But it's really exciting to finally have this space that I can work in, relax in, etc. Alright guys, I'm gonna get to touching up this paint. If you like what you've seen today, give this video a like, subscribe to keep up with how I kind of make this room my own and / other general things I get up to. And have a good week. I'll see you next time.